So this question is about capture-recapture, which is a really interesting way of estimating population size. So the idea is that you pick a sample of an animal, in this case trout, and you tag the whole lot of them, like every single one you tag them. And then you do it again, and you count how many have been tagged, and also obviously how many you've taken on the second time. And the proportion between the amount you tagged on the first time over the total population size has to be equal to the amount that is tagged on the second time divided by the sample size. This is a really, really clever way of doing this, because whenever you take the amount of trout, then the the proportions of tagged to sample should be the same. So for instance, if you've got 100 sweets and 50 of them are red, then half of your sample size, no matter what sample you take, as long as it's representative, should be red. If you rearrange this, and I'm not going to go into how to rearrange this, but you end up with this. The population size equals the amount that you tagged initially times the amount of sample you have over the amount that actually came back tagged. So in this scenario, we originally tagged 84 of them. Our sample size was 56, we took 56, and we divide it by 15. So let's get a calculator and work that out. So 84 times 56, and then divide that by 15. And we get 313.6, which obviously we can't have half a trout, so we're going to end up with 314 as our estimate for the total number of trout in the lake. Now the last thing to do is just think, right, does that make sense? So let's do tag, which is 84, and then put that over 314, and that's 42 over 157, or as a decimal 0.267 blah blah. And then let's do 15 divided by 56, which actually equals 0.267 blah blah blah. So it kind of works. The proportions are still equal. So that's capture-recapture, and it's new to the GCSE course, so make sure you brush up on it.